Hi guys, you're watching the 7th and last video of the detox. Wow, can you believe that this day has finally come? Today is going to be a good day for you. It will go fast, I promise you. Usually on day 7, people are starting to analyze and fantasize about what they're going to eat tomorrow. I know this is exciting, but there's still another day, so hang on. Today, on day 7, you might still have a lot of solids coming out in the enema. I know that's surprising, but that's good. I remember on one of my cleanses, on day 7, I passed a ball of, I don't know what, impacted food, basically a ball of poo. I felt all week a bump in my colon, and on day 7, it came out. And that day, I flushed a massive amount of worms, which made me want to go further in my detox, so I continue for another couple days. You know, you can continue the detox too if you feel the need, if you feel right about it. Just take one day at a time, continue with the bentonite and the psyllium shakes, and take juices. You will see it only gets easier and you feel better and better every day. But if you are going to break the fast like you were supposed to, here's how it's going to work. Tomorrow, you will do your last enema, no shakes, no pills. Then you can break the fast with a light meal, like a fruit. You want to eat a small amount of fruit, like 1 cup of pineapple or watermelon or papaya. Apple would be good also. Take your time, eat slowly, chew your food. You have to go slowly. You'll see, you'll get full right away. Then wait till you're hungry again around lunchtime and have more fruit. By the way, if you want to eat fruit all day tomorrow, that's totally fine. It will stimulate your digestive fire slowly and it will be easier to digest. Remember that your digestive system was shut down for a week, so you want to reintroduce the food very slowly to have proper digestion. For dinner, you can have a vegetable salad or steamed vegetables. If you're going to drink something, it's better to drink it before the meal to have better digestion. So I'll talk about all this tomorrow. I'll explain what you should and should not eat during the next week. But there's one more day to go. You can do it. Don't quit yet. You're going to be so proud tomorrow.